Rudbeckia is a plant genus in the sunflower family. The species are commonly called coneflowers and black-eyed Susans. All are native to North America and many species are cultivated in gardens for their showy yellow or gold flower heads. The species are herbaceous, mostly perennial plants growing to 0.5–3 m tall, with simple or branched stems. The leaves are spirally arranged, entire to deeply lobed, 5–25 cm long. The flowers are produced in daisy-like inflorescences, with yellow or orange florets arranged in a prominent, cone-shaped head. Cone-shaped, because the ray florets tend to point out and down as the flower head opens. A large number of species have been proposed within Rudbeckia, but most are now regarded as synonyms of the limited list given below. Several currently accepted species have several accepted varieties. Some of them are popular garden flowers distinguished for their long flowering times. There are many cultivars of these species. Rudbeckia species are eaten by the caterpillars of some Lepidoptera species including cabbage moth and dot moth. The name was given by Carolus Linnaeus in honor of his teacher at Uppsala University, Professor Olof Rudbeck the Younger, and his father Professor Olof Rudbeck the Elder, both of whom were botanists. Rudbeckia is one of at least 4 genera within the flowering plant family Asteraceae whose members are commonly known as coneflowers. The others are Echinacea, Dracapi and Ratibida. Species, accepted species, Rudbeckia alpicola piper a showy coneflower, Cascades in Washington State, Rudbeckia auriculata crala eared coneflower, Alabama, Georgia, Florida Panhandle. Rudbeckia californica agrea California coneflower, California, Rudbeckia flava TV Moore, Colorado, Wyoming, Rudbeckia fulgida aetona orange coneflower, eastern USA plus Canada, Texas to Connecticut plus Quebec, Rudbeckia glassens EASTW. A waxy coneflower, northwestern California, southwestern Oregon, Rudbeckia graminifolia CL Boynton and Beadle grass leaf coneflower, Florida Panhandle, Rudbeckia grandiflora DC. A rough coneflower, mostly East Texas to Missouri. Scattered locales from Georgia to Ontario, Rudbeckia heliopsiadus Tor. And Agrea sun-facing coneflower, Mississippi to Virginia, Rudbeckia hirta la black-eyed Susan, widespread in USA plus Canada, Rudbeckia clamathrensis a Klamath coneflower, northwestern California, Rudbeckia laciniata la cutleaf coneflower, greenhead coneflower, widespread in USA plus Canada, Rudbeckia maxima nut. A great coneflower, mostly East Texas to Missouri, Rudbeckia missouriensis Encham XCL Boynton and Beadle Missouri coneflower, Texas to Illinois. Mostly in Ozarks, Rudbeckia mua agrea moose coneflower, Florida Panhandle, southern Georgia, Rudbeckia mollis elliot a soft hair coneflower, Florida Panhandle, southern Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, Rudbeckia montana agrea montane coneflower, Colorado, Utah, Oregon, Rudbeckia neumania ludon, Rudbeckia nightda nut. A shiny coneflower, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Louisiana, Rudbeckia occidentalis nut. A western coneflower, from Colorado to Washington plus northern California, Rudbeckia scabrifolia lebr. A raw leaf coneflower, Louisiana, eastern Texas, Rudbeckia speciosa showy coneflower, eastern USA, Rudbeckia subtomentosa persia sweet coneflower, mostly Mississippi Valley, Rudbeckia texana pb cox and herbaceous Texas coneflower, Louisiana, eastern Texas, Rudbeckia triloba la brown-eyed Susan, from eastern Texas to Quebec. Isolated locales in Colorado plus Utah. Formerly included, Echinacea atrorubens, Echinacea pallida, Echinacea purpurea, Helianthus angustifolius, Helianthus porteri, Helianthus radula, Ratibida columnifera, Ratibida tgetes. Uses: many species are used in prairie restorations and for ornamental use. Used by domestic stock for forage. An abundance of these plants on a rangeland indicates good health. References. External links. Media related to Rudbeckia at Wikimedia Commons. Data related to Rudbeckia at Wikispecies.